This assessment asks us to draw the 5 alkane constitutional isomers with the molecular formula C6H14. This video might get a little long, so you might want to watch it on double speed. Let's start by being systematic, and to do that, we'll first draw the compound hexane. That represents the first constitutional isomer. Now, hexane is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon chain, but when we think about drawing the constitutional isomers of it, what we're going to do instead is imagine it as a 5 carbon chain, but with a methyl group attached at the 5 carbon. This tells us then that we can move that methyl group from carbon 5 to carbon 4 to generate a new constitutional isomer. Can we move that methyl group 1 carbon more to carbon 3 to make a new constitutional isomer? In fact, we can. Let's do that. At this point, we might ask ourselves, well, can we move the methyl group 1 carbon over? And we can, and that would put it on carbon 2, but that would simply regenerate this constitutional isomer. And so at this point, we have 2 more constitutional isomers left to come up with. To do this, let's start here and imagine this as now a 4 carbon chain with a methyl group at carbon 5 and carbon 3. We should be able to move the methyl group at carbon 5 onto carbon 3. That will allow us to generate this constitutional isomer, keeping the carbons numbered. And finally, we can take that methyl group from carbon 3 over to carbon 2 to create the final constitutional isomer. You'll notice that what we've done in drawing these 5 is we've been systematic. We've imagined the molecule, instead of being a 6 carbon chain, a 5 carbon chain with a methyl group, and simply looked at how we can move the methyl group through various parts of the chain, each time assessing, have we generated a new compound? That results in these 5 as the unique constitutional isomers of C6H14.